Your insurance company normally includes in their policy wording that they can settle a claim in the following ways: pay you out cash, repair or replace the item with a supplier of their choice, or any combination of the two. So from a contractual point of view, does the insurer have the right to exercise such right in settling your claim as they deem fit? Now, whether an insurance company settles a claim cash based on the cheapest quote or replace the item fundamentally, with the claims cost be the same, right? Therefore, the question begs answering is, why not just pay all claims out in cash? An insurance company's supply chain is based on scale, which means you need to ensure you supply your suppliers with as much work possible as to ensure you can negotiate preferential rates. So the more active you are with a provider, the better rates you can get from said provider. It's economy of scale, which is standard across all types of businesses. Think about it in this way. If an insurance company only uses a supplier to quote and then settles cash all the time, will it not be too long for the provider to realize that the time and effort invested in providing quotes to the insurance company is not worth the income he is generating? Then some insurance companies have rebates agreement, which once again isn't uncommon in the business environment, which means based on scale and targets is a specific proportion reimbursed to the insurer on a quarterly basis or on an annual. Remember, an insurance company's competitive edge is claims cost management. So if you can obtain something at a cheaper price than your competitors, would it lead to a lower loss ratio, which means you can make your premiums more affordable, which in turn grows your business. It is therefore a symbiotic relationship. You can then throw in corporate responsibility of supporting small businesses, which includes insurance companies' BBEE requirements that needs meeting. The targets for BEE is a governance issue and therefore is compliance non-negotiable. Insurers cannot claim scorecard points for cash settlements. Well, there is a way, but the process is extremely cumbersome, which would only impact service delivery. The final reason for replacing as opposed to paying out cash is curbing fraud. Insurance fraud is rife, and there are too many people that look to the insurance policy for making a quick buck to solve their financial woes. So by not settling cash, does the industry reduce potential fraudulent claims significantly? This removes opportunistic fraudsters from putting in a claim, since getting cash from your insurance company is no longer a low-hanging fruit. Furthermore, would syndicates target insurance company that pays out cash at a whim, simply because syndicates wants cash, and although they still find ways and means enforcing the insurance industry in paying out cash, will a company that has a policy of replace versus paying out cash be less targeted by syndicates? The fact remains that each claim is based on its own merit. But I cannot deny that during my years working in the claims department, did alarm bells go off when clients were insistent on being paid out cash. And I will be honest in saying that in many of these instances, once we had a closer look at the claim, did we indeed find fraudulent behavior? Yes, there is some instances when it makes logical sense why a client might request a cash settlement, but it remains the insurance company's prerogative in replacing the item. Insurance companies are generally comfortable in issuing a credit line at their supplier, which means you can go and replace whatever item you want at said supplier. Even if you want to upgrade to a bigger and better version, can you do so, although the upgrade will be for your own account? Many insurers today makes use of claims cards, which is just as good as cash in store. So there is really no reason for cash payouts. The added benefit of your insurance company replacing an item is that they have the proof of purchase and ownership for the future. So there are benefits of replacing items via your insurance company, not to mention the peace of mind should the item be faulty or something goes wrong. Do you have the backing of your insurer? I trust the above gives you a little background as to the reasons for replacing versus paying out in cash.